Hello guys and welcome to our video. Today we'll be replacing the mouse switch of G102. So for whatever reason you have, if you want to replace the mouse switch of G102, Logitech G102, I will be showing you how to do it. So what you need to do this is the mouse, the G102, the soldering iron. So I already preheated this one. Then a soldering lead and also a screwdriver. And also I happen to have a spare Kale GM 8.0, I think. This one. So I happen to have a spare one. So let's hope we can do it in one swing. Let's take a look at the mouse and let's find the screws that locks this mouse. Although this is a bad idea, you might have to replace your mouse skates. So it's not here. I don't actually have any idea where. So it's not here. It's here. One of it is here, and this one, and also one on this side. So let's just open it. So you might need to have to replace your mouse skates since once you remove the skates, you might have you won't be able to reattach the skates. So might as well buy a skates if you want to do this. So once you remove the skates, you won't be able to reattach it. So be sure to have a spare skates or gliders if you are going to do this. Now that we have seen that we found the screws that we need to remove to open the mouse, let's open it. The other one is hidden under the Logitech sticker. So you might have to pierce through the sticker or remove it. Either way. Okay, so we removed 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. The one in here and right here. So a total of 3 screws. Now we are ready to open the mouse. So this is the inside of the mouse. Now the mouse switch that we are replacing is the one right here, the left switch. So all we have to do is first unscrew the side buttons. And then we remove the board of the mouse. So a total of 4 for the main board. Now we get to see the mouse switch. So there are 3 contacts or pins for the mouse switch. One here, and one here. So the way I do this is I push a bit on one side so that one of its pin will come off. As you try to desolder 3 of them, In case that it won't come off, you can always put or mix a bit of new soldering lead on the pin. Okay, we're done. Now we can try to remove it again. Since it's a new solder, it would be easier to remove. Once you hear a bit of sound, it means it is moving. Try to push the other side. Then try again on the other side until it comes off. So as you can see, it's already being removed. So now it is removed. Now we can solder the new mouse switch. So let's just put it here first. Okay, so the way I do it, I push it on the other side while I am soldering the pins on the other side, so that it will open up until it goes in one by one. Until it is completely inside. As you can see, it's already inside. Just like on the other side. I mean, it's a bit more inside than the original one. Now, before closing the mouse, we need to test it if it is working. So we need to put it back. Then, before closing, before putting on the screws inside, back in, let's test it out like this. So it's open. Let's test the switch. So it's clicking, but we need to see if the contact is working. Now let's see if it is working. So here is the mouse. This is the right click. So it's working. The right click is working. But the one that we replace is the left click. So let's see if it's working. It's not. So we will have to re-solder it. So to make sure that there is a contact, we will need to put new solders, new lead on the 3 pin. So let's put new ones. Now that we're done, let's test it out again. So let's put it back. And then it's over. And then turn on again. Then let's see if the mouse is now working. Again, this is the right click and this is the left click. So now it's working because we made sure that there is a contact on the mouse switch and the board. Let's put it back again. So let us return the mouse to its original state. First, we will turn off the computer, then we will screw in the motherboard. And we're all good. So guys, that's how you replace the mouse switch of Logitech G102. Might as well this is a general tutorial on how to replace a mouse switch. So it is quite a daunting task to do if you don't have any clue, but since you are already watched it, you do know now how to do it, and I shared a few tips for you. And also it is very worth it, especially if you are experiencing issue on your mouse, and if you have problems on mouse clicks, or if you wanna upgrade the mouse switch. But that's it, guys. That's how you replace a mouse switch. If you have any comments or questions on this content, please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be doing more of contents like this later, so be sure to subscribe. That's it. See you guys on the next vid. God bless us all.